So for today's video, ladies, you all need to check out this vintage style purse that I found on your favorite online shopping site. Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. This video is to show you, to tell you my honest review about the products, because it's less than $20, as in way ridiculously cheap. Yes, and I wanted to show you what can fit into it. I'm going to tell you what I feel about the material, if it's worth purchasing or not. I will tell you the truth and nothing but the truth on this channel. Even if they send me a product, if I purchase it myself, it does not really matter. I will tell you what I feel about it, because I wouldn't want you to waste your hard-earned money just because I want to have something from brands. Doesn't mean that I shouldn't protect my own brand as well, because I'm a brand, y'all. I'm a brand on my own, so I need to represent myself too and tell you the truth whenever I review. So ladies, you all have seen it, like I said in the thumbnail. So I have two of these purses that I purchased on your favorite websites. The favorite website I'm talking about is Shein. Yes, some of you might have seen this before, or maybe you have been contemplating, should I purchase it or not? I did purchase them so as to show you. So this is your sign. If you think you have seen it and you have been thinking, should I purchase it, should I not purchase it, this is your sign to go get it, because why not? They are less than $20, and look at how beautiful they are. Has different colors, I think 17, I'm not sure, but the most amazing things that thrilled me more about this is the one with that design. It's just so unique, and that one is burgundy color, which is the in-thing color, kind of. All right, so this is the two purses that I'm telling you about, and I purchased these two colors because I feel like this is, if you want to be very demure, very feminine, you don't want it too loud, this vintage style is for you. It does not have any logo on it that will shout out to everybody that this is made by so person. You are not advertising for any company. You have it and you go all about your business. People are going to admire this purse on you, trust me, because it's the cutest small purse I've ever owned. I'm so thrilled. I'm so excited about these purses. I don't know about you all, but I do love these two colors that I chose. One thing that I'm going to tell you before I move into what can fit into them is that this particular color that I chose, this one, aside from the black, black is classic. All right, I noticed that there is a thread right here. I mean, it's something that you can just clip off with scissors. Don't try to pull it out, because it might ruin the entire sewing, and yours might not even come like this. These things are mass production, so while they are producing it, there must be some mistake somewhere, but I cannot tell you that everything will come like this. But unfortunately, mine has this thread poking out here, so it's something I will use scissors to just clip it off. I don't see any reason why I should fuss about that, because they are very, very affordable. So I bought it on Shein, so why should I complain about that? But for you to open it, you just pull it right there. See, closing is easy. Down, look at that. With this gold detailing hardware, I put some stuff in there just to give it that shape, to retain the shape. This is how the inside is looking like. It's lined, of course, and it has a small does it have an ID card? It does not have any other pockets inside. It's just one insert like that. And we're going to see our basic needs, what you need on a daily basis that you're going out. This will be good for when you're going to hang out at night or during the day too, because it's not loud. It's really nice, and it has this tying design right here with this gold detailing at the tip of it, and also on the other side. It's really beautiful. It's very light, of course, but this color, I love it. Aside from this, I'm going to clip off right now. So this is me practicing what I'm preaching. You are not going to pull the thread because you don't want to ruin it. Just take a scissors and clip it off, just like that. Just clip it off. See, it's all gone. I have a little tiny, which you will not see because I'm holding it here. I mean, you all can't see that, but it's something I will do finishing job to with my scissors. That's just the bottom line. I just wanted to show you. And the black is still the same way. It's the same style. I absolutely love the black too. Look at that. Tell me it does not look like vintage style. This is really vintage style, and it's under $20. I can't even remember how much I bought it, but I believe it's on sale right now. I will look for the link and put in the description box for you if you're going to be interested in it. So now, ladies, I'm going to show you what we can fit into it. So I know definitely your phone, depending on the size of your phone. I use iPhone 15 Pro Max. That's what I have. I'll put it on inside and other things that I feel like you will need when you're going out, and to see how it feels and all that good stuff. Then we'll wrap up this video. So the first thing I'm going to be putting into this purse is going to be my phone. Then I'll go ahead and put my wallet, which is the regular size that can fit into, you can always transfer it from one of your purse to the other. The next thing that I'm going to be putting it is going to be my hand sanitizer. And the last thing I'm going to put inside of it is going to be my car key / house key. Even with all these that I put into it, they are all essential things that you will need when you're out there, because you need your wallet to have your credit card, your cash that you're going to use when you're out there. You need your car key, you're going to drive. All right, your phone, very important when you want to do that selfie and you want to take picture, you quickly want to do a vlog. All right, those things are very, very important when we're leaving the house, and those things, they fit into this bag very well. Vintage style purses from Shein, they really, really worth the investment. I believe you'll be able to use them more than 2 years, 3 years, depending on how you maintain your items. I believe you're not going to be using it every day, because this bag will be good for, you know, occasional outing. So if you're going to be using it occasionally, that means they're going to last you for a while. It's not everyday bag. It's something you will take to a party, or you're going out at night. You know, it's just elegant. In my own opinion, this purse is elegant. It's vintage style. Nothing, no brand, no logo. It's just as simple as it is. All right, ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and thank you all so much for watching. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.